This is elevator number 4 here at the IKEA store in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Schindler, parking. Oh good, the fan's off. Whoa, had to reload. That's destroyed, that one button. Nope, it's still a death trap. Go for one more ride. ADA phone. It re-leveled again. Going up? Come on in. Oh boy, here we go. Oh god. It's still a death trap. Oh, this is just a hobby I have, documenting elevators. That pump doesn't sound too healthy.
It doesn't.
Schindler, don't you dare close on me. Here goes the door, and that's it.